What's up, boys? CB here again with another trade and analysis. Today we got break even on our trade on gold, but we saved ourselves from 2 losses prior, which is still good. We saved ourselves from 2 L's. We got a break even. It is Friday or no news Friday at that, so I kind of already anticipated price to be slow, but let's just get into the trade and analysis. So coming in, we always start off. We got our previous session lows. We got our previous session highs. Yeah, we only had our London session lows because all the other lows and highs got taken out. London low was the only thing left. And then we have our previous day high, which is right here. So we got our 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Let me mark it real quick. This is our 15-minute low, which is right here. So as you can see, price coming in, we do have a lot of chop, right? Price is very choppy right here. Is accumulating. I actually thought price was gonna sell because we did have this head and shoulders pattern. We did get the break of the 15-minute low. Then we got the retest, and I was just waiting for price to close below here, and we would have taken the shorts. But that just goes back to what I was saying earlier of how we saved ourselves from an L. So that was the L that we saved ourselves from, and we saved ourselves from another L on USD JPY. But so coming in, we saw the 15-minute low got broken. We waited for a retest and then a close below confirmation. We didn't get it, but while it reversed, right, price then reversed. So okay, we got accumulation, which is right here. We got accumulation, then we got a manipulation, and while price is distributing to the upside, we do have a mini 15-minute fair value gap, right? That got respected, right? We got a 15-minute fair value gap, which is right here. And we also have a 15-minute inverse fair value gap, which is right here. We got this 15-minute inverse. We see price broke above consequent encroachment. It then retested consequent encroachment, then broke above the 15-minute high. We also have a 5-minute inverse as well. So we got a 5-minute inverse, we got a 15-minute inverse, and then we got a 15-minute bullish fair value gap that got respected, right? So when we got the break of the 15-minute high, we got the respect of the 15-minute fair value gap. Price then began to start moving sideways for about 15, 30, 45. So about like an hour of just price just moving sideways. And it finally broke above it did break above our previous day highs, which is right here, but it didn't really break above with that much volume. Then right here at 11 o'clock, price then broke above our previous day highs. So then we got in. We got in, right? My bad. We got in right here. We got in at that price right there. We had our stops at the 15-minute high. We were targeting these previous day highs up here, but like I said, today's volume was very, very bad. I had a feeling it probably wasn't gonna go up. The trade was going good, but because today's volume was so bad, I just went ahead and break even. I didn't really feel like holding no trade over the weekend, so I was just like, I'll just go break even. I closed some of my position, but we got stopped out at break even today. So not really a bad trade. I was looking for short or earlier, like I said, but we didn't get it. We ended up taking longs and we got break even. And that's the end of the trading analysis. It wasn't really too much. We got like I said, we got accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the upside. We got a 15-minute inverse, a 15-minute inverse, 5-minute inverse, and a 15-minute bullish fair value gap closed above previous day high. So it was a good trade. It was enough analysis there for us to take it, but we just got break even, which is unfortunate. But that's just the end of the trade, and that's the end of the trade and analysis. And I hope you guys learn a lot from this video, and I will see you guys next time.